Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark V, and let me share with you how to set the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's find the display. Now we have to scroll down to find the sleep option, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. So at the top we've got relatively short options and then longer, so 1, 2, 5 and 10 minutes. In order to set the option you have to tap on the one you'd like to use. So I'll pick 5 minutes. As you can see, it is immediately marked, and after getting back it is notified right here that after 5 minutes of inactivity this device will black out. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.